bienvenue sur ma chaîne Apprendre français avec Deepika. Aujourd'hui, on va faire les voyelles au français. Means, hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learn French with Deepika. Today, we are going to do the vowels in French. Alors, on y va! There are two types of vowel in French. First, oral vowels. Second, nasal vowels. First, oral vowels. Oral vowels are the vowels that we speak from mouth. There are 5 types of oral vowels in French. A, E, O and U. A, E, O and U. Now, we are going to take some example of these vowels so that we can be clear with oral vowels. So first is A. Let's see examples. Ami, ami, avion, avion, agréable, agréable, amour, amour, ami, avion, agréable and amour. Now, second vowel is A. So examples are M. M means me. T. L. Table. Zup. M. T. L. Table. Zup. Now, third vowel is E. For example, livre, animal, image, image means image, actress, livre, animal, image, actress. Now, fourth vowel is O sound. O. For example, stylo, mot, option, do means our back. So stylo, mot, option and do. Now, the fifth vowel is U. For example, bus, view and zup, bus, view and zup. We are going to do nasal vowels. Nasal vowels means those vowels which we speak from our nose. There are 4 types of nasal vowels. First, second, third, and fourth is and So now let's take some examples. So now first nasal vowel is For example, pondon, pondon, pondon. Vacons, vacons. Don, don. And gron, gron. Pondon, vacons, don and gron. Now I can give you example here. See, when I was speaking do means back, I was not using my nose, I was just speaking do, I was just using my mouth. Oh, do, it was my back. But when I am saying do, do means in, like something we are putting in the bag or whatever, so it's do. So I am using here my nose. So do is oral vowel and do is nasal vowel. Second nasal vowel is un. For example, intelligent. Intelligent means intelligent. Intelligent. Information. Information means information. Next, vin. Vin. Vin means wine. Next, inoubliable. Inoubliable means unforgettable. So, intelligent, information, vin and inoubliable. Third nasal vowel is on. On. For example, bonbon, bonbon. Monde, monde. Bon, bon. Garçon, garçon. Bonbon, monde, bon and garçon. Okay, so last vowel is un. So for example, first is same example. Means one in counting, or it is used as an article also. So it is used as both the things, one in counting as well, and it is used as an article as well. Okay, so next is brun. Brun. Brun means brown. On prate. On prate. On prate means to borrow. So brun. On prate. On prate. So I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Au revoir.